So today let us do revision of trigonometric identities. Okay, we finished up to trigonometric ratios.
Okay, ma'am.
So let us see how quickly you are able to solve questions. Starting from very easy ones. First one. Cosec square theta plus sec square theta is equal to cosec square theta multiplied by sec square theta. Okay, you have to prove this. Hello, Eman, can you hear me? Hamna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hamna.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today I have started trigonometric identities, right? We will solve questions starting from the very basic ones. So let us see how quickly you are able to solve them. Now, please start. Give it a try, then we will solve it together if you are stuck. And just feel free to ask me. Please don't shy. And also the questions which I'm picking here. So these questions earlier came in the CBSE exam. So I'm picking those questions. So you will have an idea of what kind of questions are going to come. I mean, what is the level of questions?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, who else has done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, am undone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hamna. Right, quickly. The second one.
Ma'am, it is cosec square theta minus cot theta.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square.
Okay.
Yeah, please let me know when you are finished.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm writing
Ma'am,
the.
can you explain?
Okay, so this is 1 minus LHS if you consider. So you have to rationalize, okay? 1 minus cos theta because there's nothing else here. So you can rationalize it. So multiply by 1 minus of cos theta and divided by 1 minus of cos theta, right?
Yes.
So you have 1 minus cos theta whole square, and this is 1 a plus b, a minus b. So 1 minus cos square theta. It becomes 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sine square theta, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you need answer in cosec and cot. So that means you can write it like this and divide it by sine theta and then whole square you can write it, right? And now if you split it, so 1 upon sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta whole square. So 1 by sine theta is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay, next question now. So this also came 2 times in CBSE. Sine theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Now please try this.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm writing the next one. You can try this. Yes, Eman, are you able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one, have you finished?
Yeah.
Okay, try the next one.
Ma'am, can you explain it?
All right. So this one, see, as you can see, you can take something common from these two terms, right? So you take
Yes.
sec square theta common. So this becomes 2 minus sec square theta. And similarly here, you can take, now you are taking a minus sign common. If you are taking a minus sign common and cosec square theta common, so the first term will become 2 and this is minus now into cosec square theta. So you have to be careful with sign. And so answer is in cot and tan. So you can replace them when you have square. So you can use identities. 1 plus, sorry, cot square theta is cosec square theta, and 1 plus sec square, I'm sorry, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So we can replace them. Sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta, and 2 minus again 1 plus tan square theta, and you have minus. So cosec is now 1 plus cot square theta and into 2 minus 1 plus cot square theta, right? So 1 plus tan square theta into, sorry, and then you have 2, no, you can open the bracket now. So 2 minus 1 and then minus tan square theta, and minus 1 plus cot square theta. So 2 minus 1 minus cot square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta, and now this is 1 minus tan square theta. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 minute. My system is hanged. Okay, now so you write it 1 minus tan square theta. Then you have 1 plus cot square theta and 1 minus cot square theta. So now it becomes a plus b into a minus b kind of thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so it will be now 1 minus tan 4 theta and then minus 1 minus cot 4 theta. And then you'll get the answer. Okay, I'm writing the next question here. My screen is not responding. Sixth one. 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is equal to 2. Now quickly do it. Yes, Rida, are you able to solve? Eman?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we write it in cosine form first?
Yes, you have to change it and then you solve it. Eman, have you finished?
No, ma'am.
Yes, please unmute yourself, Eman.
No. No, I didn't finish.
Okay. Okay, so should I solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, right. So this is first you convert it into sine and cos. So 1 plus cos theta divided by sine theta minus 1 upon sine theta. Then you have 1 plus sine theta by cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. Okay, only LHS I'm solving it. Uh, then take LCM. What else? Yeah. So here you have sine theta as LCM, right? So it will become sine theta and then plus cos theta minus 1. Is that clear? And here LCM will be cos theta. So it will be cos theta plus sine theta and a plus 1, right? Now, okay, now can you spot something here? This is if you combine these two terms together, and it is looking like a minus b into a plus b, isn't it? Yeah. So we can change it into a square minus b square. So it will become sine theta plus cos theta whole square and then minus 1 square and divided by. Now because they are in multiplication, so we can write them together, sine theta cos theta. There is no plus minus between. Everything is now in multiplication. Now open the bracket. So a plus b whole square means sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. And then you have minus 1, right? Divided by sine theta cos theta. So again, this becomes 1. So 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta minus 1 and divided by sine theta cos theta. So 1 get cancelled out. So you have 2 sine theta cos theta divided by sine theta cos theta, which is equal to 2, which is your RHS. Okay. Okay, so next one, very easy. Now quickly solve it. Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 is equal to sec square theta and cosec square theta.
Ma'am, it's sec square theta multiplied with cosec square theta.
Yes, it is multiplied, okay?
Okay.
Come on, it's very easy. Who has finished it?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm writing the next one. Sine cube theta plus cos cube theta divided by sine theta plus cos theta and plus sine theta cos theta is equal to 1. Please do this.
Okay, next one.
The seventh question. Everybody finished? Someone have you finished? Yes, Emma, unmute yourself.
No, ma'am.
Seventh was easy. Just convert this into sine and cos and take LCM and solve it. Hamna, can I hear you? Okay, I'm solving the seventh question. So this is sine square theta divided by cos square theta plus This is cos square theta divided by sine square theta at plus 2, right? Now you take LCM. So cos square theta, sine square theta. So what you get here? Sine 4 theta plus, so cos 4 theta and plus, you get 2 cos square theta sine square theta, right? After taking LCM. Now it is clearly visible. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab, isn't it? In the numerator. So this can be written as sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square. Can you see that? Sine square theta. Okay. Oh, sorry. I missed which one I'm doing. Okay, I'm doing this. So I need sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Okay, no problem. So now I can write it like this. Sine square theta plus cos square theta and divided by. So I'm simply writing cos theta sine theta and the square I'm combining together, numerator and denominator. Okay.
Yes.
Now you split this. So sine square theta divided by cos theta sine theta plus cos square theta divided by cos theta sine theta, and then you have whole square. Okay, I think I need in multiplication. Anyway, let's see what I get. So this becomes now sine theta by cos theta, yeah, plus this is cos theta by sine theta and then whole square. Mhm. Okay, now again take LCM. So cos theta sine theta. So now this becomes sine square theta and this becomes cos square theta whole square, right? Now this becomes 1. So this is 1 upon cos theta sine theta whole square. And 1 upon cos is sec, and then 1 upon sine is cosec, and then you have whole square. So that means it is sec square theta multiplied by cosec square theta, which is your RHS. Fine, Evan?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, now try the 8th question. So here you use identity, right? A cube plus B cube, which is equal to A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB. So first expand it and then solve it.
Can you explain the 8th question?
Okay, let's do it. So this is the question. Sine cube theta plus cos cube theta and divided by sine theta plus cos theta plus sine theta cos theta. So this question also came in CBSE, okay? Right. So you use identity a cube plus b cube. Sorry, b cube. So this is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square and minus ab. Remember it?
Yes.
Okay. Mm, okay, so you write a plus b, that means sine theta plus cos theta, a square plus b square and minus ab and divided by sine theta plus cos theta and the second term, just sine theta cos theta. Okay, so I think the whole bracket here cancels out the first one, right? And
Yes.
sine square theta plus cos square theta becomes 1. So I have 1 minus sine theta cos theta. So only this much left. And then you have plus sine theta cos theta. Now this whole term cancels out and the answer is 1. All right, now next. Tan square A minus tan square B is equal to cos square B minus cos square A divided by cos square B cos square A, which is also equal to sine square A minus sine square B divided by cos square A into cos square B. So first you prove this, okay? And then from here, you will prove this. So I think it's easy. Convert it into sine and cos. I think you will get it. Yes, Rida, have you done it? Yes, Rida, are you there? Eamon, can I hear you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are
I
you able
don't.
to do? See, it's easy. Just convert it into sine and cos, take LCM. Try to do it. Give it time. Harsha, any progress? Okay, let me help, right? So I'm solving this. Tan square A minus tan square B, right? Now this can be written as sine square A upon cos square A minus sine square B divided by cos square B, right? You take LCM. So you get cos square A, cos square. Now this will become sine square A. So cos square is already here. So you get cos square B minus. So sine square B into cos square A. Okay. Now what will you do?
Ma'am, can we do a square minus b square?
A square minus B square. That gives you A plus B into A minus B. Yeah, I think from there also you should be able to get it. I'm just thinking here. So I can do one thing. See, ultimately I want my answer. Everything is in cos here, right? So we can replace this sign in terms of cos. So we know sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? So this sine square A, I can write 1 minus cos square A and then cos square B minus. Again, this I'm writing 1 minus cos square B into cos square A. Cos square A, cos square B. So if you open the bracket now you multiply. So you get cos square B minus cos square B into cos square A. Please use bracket to avoid mistake. Then minus, now multiply. So cos square A minus cos square A cos square B divided by, sorry, so cos square A cos square B, right? And now you open the bracket of numerator. So cos square B minus cos square B cos square A, then minus cos square A. Sorry, it was minus. Okay, so minus minus will become plus. Cos square A cos square B, and here you have cos square A cos square B, right? So this whole terms will get cancelled out, same term. And then you have cos square B minus cos square A divided by cos square A cos square B. I think this was you were supposed to prove, right? Yeah, so the first step is okay. Now you want to change this into sine. So again, you can convert this into sine by using the earlier identity. So this cos square B, I can write 1 minus sine square B, then minus this 1 minus sine square A And so what you want in numerator? Okay, numerator is in terms of cos, so don't disturb, sorry, denominator, so don't disturb the denominator. Now just open the bracket, so 1 minus sine square b, then minus 1 minus minus plus sine square a. Now 1 will get cancelled out, okay? 1 cancel out, and then you have, so sine square a is positive and this is negative, so I'm just writing it this way, and divided by cos square a cos square b. So this is your RHS. Is that understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
So this type of question also comes sometimes. They earlier came. So they give you something like this, that if x is equal to a sine theta, right? And then y is equal to b tan theta. Then prove that. A square divided by x square minus b square divided by y square is equal to 1. So it's simple, just put the values of x and y and try to solve it. I'm giving you some homework. You will try these questions, right?
Okay.
So this one also is your homework. You please try. If a cos theta plus b sine theta is equal to m, right? And a sine theta minus b cos theta is equal to n. So prove that. A square plus b square is equal